Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see review of one of the best and fastest selling product in India, and it's none other than Boro Plus antiseptic cream. Whether this cream will give you fairness or not. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to us, then do subscribe to us by clicking subscribe button and press that bell icon to get all videos from us. This product is easily available in India at any corner. Product is 19 ml. Cost of it is Rs 38. If I want to speak about the packaging of the product, then packaging is nice and attractive. This product is manufactured by Imami Limited. If I want to speak about its usage, then this video will not be enough. Few of them they have mentioned over here. It moisturizes your skin, cures minor cuts and wounds. It protects your skin from dryness, heals cracked foot, soften chapped skin and lips. If you have dark lips, then you can apply this cream. Most importantly, you can use it for small babies. That is, it prevents nappy rashes. It is antiseptic cream. Now question here is, can we use Boro Plus to get fair skin? Then answer is no. It won't provide you fair skin. This cream is not meant for fairness, but it's an antiseptic cream. Another thing, if you try to add any natural product with this cream, considering you will get fairness, then I'm really sorry for that. Won't get. Don't use this cream for overnight, as it may harm your skin. All know that some products which may suitable to me might not suitable to you. If you used it overnight, then your skin may darken. You can use this cream on your dark elbows and knees. Use this product for more days, then your skin may face oiliness. It's a very good cream if you use it normally. You can use this cream throughout the year. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.